Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play games on your Discord server. So you have to own the server or become an admin to add this bot. So search up Discord activity bot on Google and click on this website. And then you are going to select invite this bot. After that, you're going to add to the server and then select authorize. And then after that, I'm just going to open Discord, and as you can see, it says activities just showed up. Then you're going to go in a voice channel like so. And I'm just going to write it down on open chat. And then here, I'm just going to write /activity. Select the channel. So I'm in gaming right now, so select the gaming channel. And then here you are going to select the game. Now, there are 5 free games here, but the rest requires a Nitro boost on Discord. So for instance, you want to select Ask Away, click on it, and then the game will start once you hit enter. And then click to open Ask Away in gaming. And the game will open, select authorize, and your friends can join by, pressing join, and you'll have this game icon right here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!